Now we're going to talk about the New York session. So right as European traders are getting back from their lunch breaks, the US session begins at 8 o'clock a.m. Eastern as traders arrive at their office to start work. Just like Asia and Europe, the US session has one major financial center that the market keeps their eyes on. So here's some important things that you should know about trading during the New York session. First of all, during the New York session, there's high liquidity in the morning, and this is when the New York session and the London session are overlapping. This is also when a lot of economic reports are released, and this can cause more volatility in the market. Then, by the afternoon, volatility starts to die down, and especially Friday afternoon. If you try to trade Friday afternoon, there's almost no movement in the market. In fact, there's a chance of reversals in the second half of the session on Friday, so keep an eye out for that. So these are important points to know about the New York session that will help you trade and be more successful if you trade during this session. So which pairs should you trade during the New York session? Remember, there's going to be a ton of liquidity as both the US and European markets are open at the same time. So this is really going to allow you to trade any pair, although it's going to be best if you stick with the major and minor pairs. Also, just like we talked about, since the US dollar is in the majority of transactions, everybody's going to be paying attention to US data that's released. So should these reports come in better or worse than people were expecting, that could dramatically change the volatility in the market since the dollar is going to be jumping up and down and all around. So now, like I said a couple sessions ago, if you're still confused on which sessions start when and when they overlap and everything, this next section is going to help you so much. We have a great map that's going to help you visualize it and see it and know exactly when you should trade. So we'll see you in the next session.
Hey, thanks so much for watching. Make sure you join our free Discord channel to get access to all the cheat sheets and a bunch of other cool bonuses. The next video in the course is right here.